And get started with Bellwork week 15, day 2. Still discussing why planets are round. Just a short paragraph, and then we'll move on to the questions. Most scientists today believe that the solar system formed when a giant cloud of gas and dust contracted into a rotating disk of matter. Most of this material coalesced in the center of the disk and became our sun. The rest formed small rocky bodies or balls of gas over time. Gravitational force allowed these objects to attract and collect other chunks of rock or molecules of gas in their regions of space. As these objects grew in size, their gravity increased. This allowed them to attract and gather even more material. This process, called accretion, is believed to have formed planets, asteroids, comets, and other bodies in our solar system. So part A wants us to state whether or not each statement is true or false. So number 1, our solar system began as a rotating disk of gas and dust. Well, most scientists today believe that our solar system formed when a giant cloud of gas and dust contracted into a rotating disk of matter. First sentence there leads us to believe that statement 1 is true. So number 1 will be true. Statement number 2, as the gravity of objects in the solar system increased, the objects became bigger. So let's go ahead, see if we can find that in the passage. As these objects grew in size, their gravity increased. But it says as the gravity of the objects in the solar system increased, the objects became bigger. Well, it's actually as the objects grew in size, their gravity then increased. So statement 2 would be false. That can be kind of tricky, but it's just the way it's worded. If it would have been switched to where it said as the objects became bigger, their gravity increased, then the statement would be true. Number 3, most of the gas and dust in the early solar system became the planets. So statement 3 is false because it says this process called accretion is believed to have formed the planets, asteroids, comets, and other bodies in our solar system. So that means as the objects grew in size, their gravity increased. This allowed them to attract and gather even more material. So statement 3 would be false. B wants us to use the vocab words to complete the sentences. Dust and other particles of matter can blank to form the beginning of a planet. I would go with coalesce because coalesce means to unite, to grow together. And then number 2, through the process of accretion, an object grows in size and increases in gravitational force. So the second one would be accretion. There's your Science Bellwork week 15, day 2 for the day. Hope you guys enjoy your day, enjoy your holiday, enjoy your break. See you guys.